Hi everybody, so today we would be unboxing Amazfit GTR 2E. It's a beautiful watch. This is in slate gray color and it comes for around $100. You can buy it on Amazon, and once you watch the unboxing and if you like it after doing your own research, you can click on the link in the description to buy it. Anyway, so this is the box. It's a beautiful watch, and let's start unboxing it. Well protected, and we've got a sticker here, so I'll be just taking it off. And yeah, this is their standard sticker, so of the clock face. And well, this is the watch, so there should be charger and the cable underneath this. It should be around here somewhere. Yeah, so they've got this. Well, beautiful design. So once we open it, the booklet comes out. It kind of drops out, so on the other side we've probably got the charging dock and cable. Yeah, here it is. This is their standard wire for charging, and they don't have an adapter with it, so you can just plug it in your laptop, or I'm pretty sure everybody has adapters these days. Phone adapter would work. So yeah, this is it. It's beautiful design, gray color, and well protected. Well, you can just pull it off and it opens up, and yeah, you can take out the watch. Well, here it is. You can see this is with the silicone strap. It's a beautiful strap. The feel is really smooth, and it's very lightweight. The watch is very lightweight. You can see the the charging dock covered with a sticker, so just to protect it. Let me open the strap. So I'm just I pressed the button above and it just turned on. Let's see. So we've got the standard setup, and select the language of your choice wherever you're from. So I would be selecting English here. It's got a very nice touch to it. Yeah, so it gives the QR code to download the app, and to bind the watch with your phone. If you have iOS 10.0 or later, you can just use this, download this on your iPhone, and Android support is also there, so it is good with both of them. So once we download the app, we'll go to the next we go to the camera app. I've got an iPhone here, as you can see, and click on the link that pops up. We'll open the app store. So the Zep app opens up, and you just click on it, download it. Well, yeah, so it's downloading, and then we will set it up, set up the app. It's very good because the reviews are 4.5, and there's thousands of ratings on the app store, which is amazing. Well, yeah, in the meantime, we can let me show you the computer here and the cable to the charger. Well, yeah, they've also got a QR code here. It's probably the same app, the Zep app. Yeah, so this is the standard cable that comes with Amazfit GTR 2E. And well, yeah, this is the charger. This is USB for USB slot, and well, Yeah, so yeah, it's magnetic. The grip is also good. As you can see, it's not falling down. It's holding it really good. And well, once you pull it off, it comes off, and you see, man, it's really good. It's really good. Let's hope it stays this way. And yeah, that's pretty much it with the in the box. And this is the booklet. We just set up the charging the watch and the regulatory notice and all that. So we've downloaded the app, and well, once you open it, just pop up, and to use your location is up to you. I'll say allow while using the app, and obviously connect with Bluetooth, and I would give permission to it, and the usual permissions on iOS. And well, here you have to, if you have an account, you can sign in here, or you have to sign up. So I don't have an account, I would just sign up and be right back. So I've signed it up with the email, and now I'm just completing the profile, and just I'll be quick, and well, yeah, once you're done, just click on the done and select your devices to pair. I have a watch, and I will go to watch. After you pair, the following info will be collected. Activity, sleep, heart rate, agree with it. That's why I bought the watch in the first place, right? Watch with the QR code. If you have watch with the QR code, would like to access your camera, alright, that's fine. And we have got the watch here, and with scan, that was pretty quick. Pairing is complete, and the watch asks you for permission, and yeah, I would accept it. Well, once your phone is connected, paired with it, and the watch, kind of starts working, it shows the correct time according to your phone, and there's a user guide. And if you want to get started with it, you can just, get started with the user guide, and it just tells you everything about the basic use. It's pretty much swipe right, left, and you go down, you see all the notifications, brightness and stuff. So swipe up, the message notifications. Yeah, that's all the features in the watch. Anyway, get started, and well, if there's an update, you would just yeah, your watch is it has got an update, and you can download it. Anyway, this is the app. You can just play around with it, and just turn on notifications of incoming calls and stuff like that. I'm pretty sure whatever you want, you can do that. So this is pretty lightweight, and it shows the charging of the watch as well. It must be yeah, it shows the weather, the 50%. It shows on the watch as well, and on the app, and there's all the watch faces you can download then here. Yeah, for that you have to just hold the watch face, and it shows you the settings. If you've got more watch faces, you can just swipe around and just select whichever you want, and just yeah, see, so it's here. You just have to, if you want to change the watch face again. So anyway, this is the watch. It has a mic, and it's amazing. I really like it. It's lightweight. If you want to buy it, you can just click on the link. And again, thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel, and yeah, see you around. Thank you.